Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect Cloud AI to TradingView. So first, make sure that you log into your Cloud AI account. Then come and click on your profile section here. Then go ahead and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, connect over here. Tap on the connectors. Once you tap on connectors, click on customize. Then once you tap on customize, click on this plus icon over here. Then click on add custom connector. Now over here, you can put in the custom connector name as TradingView. Okay, so we are putting in the custom connector name as TradingView. All right, so once we are done doing that, come and click on the remote MCP server URL. Now head back to TradingView and then copy this over here. Now head back to Cloud AI and paste it. Now, once you're done doing that, click on add and you're good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. We have added TradingView on Cloud AI. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.